Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you have been wondering how can you clear your browsing data and delete basically your browsing data from your Chrome browser. Today in this video I'll show you how to do that in different methods actually, so follow up with me and let's jump right into it. So first you go ahead and of course open your Chrome browser, and as you can see, first once you tap on this bar or this one, you will get some browsing data right here. To remove these, you can just tap on the X right here. That's if you want to remove one or two. So if you want to remove the recent ones, this is how you do it. If you want to remove more history, you can just tap right here on these three dots, and then right here you can either go to history from here, or you can go to settings and then find the history tab right there. I'm just gonna choose the easiest method, so I'll just go ahead and tap on history and then tap on open history page right here. And as you can see, I have all of my history here. If I want to remove any specifically, I can just tap on these boxes, I can tick them just like that, and then tap on delete right here, as you can see guys. Now if that's not what I want, I can tap by group right here and then choose the whole group that says that has something to do with heart emoji, let's say. So I tap on these three dots, delete from history. Same thing, Dinobot, let's say, I can just tap on these three dots, delete history, and that's how basically you do it by group. Now if you want a more in-depth clearance of your browsing data, you can just tap on delete browsing data right here, and as you can see guys, I can delete 7 days worth of data just like that. I can tap on show more and have more details right here. I can even tap on browsing history to take the Google browsing history off as well. I can choose last 15 minutes. I can even choose all the time by clicking more and then tap on all the time. So once I delete from this device, I have it deleted from this device, but also if I want it to be deleted from all the devices, I need to do the same from the other devices, or I can go back to the history page and then go to tabs from other devices and do the same right here. So however, you can go ahead and delete all of the history pages right here, and also you can manage other Google data, so you can remove passwords, activity, and search history all at once from these three pages. However, again, so once you delete the browsing history from here, it will be deleted from other devices as well that has the same Google account on this Chrome browser, just like that guys. So this is it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.